Here we are going to see how to create our own components and how to form a view with that component. We have modified app component.html with this particular content in our previous tutorial. I want to create a header component, footer component, and a main component. That is common for all the application, right? I mean, most of the application has a header and footer and a main content area. Okay, so I want to create three component and wire that component in the app component to create a page layout. To create a component, we can use the command ng generate component. Generate component, name of the component. I'm providing as header. Provide any name you like. I'm providing it as header. Now you can see a folder here as header, right? This particular component has a TypeScript file that has a constructor and a init function and the component decorator. It has an HTML file, it has a CSS file, and it has a testing file as well. We'll discuss about how we can do testing later. So here I have created a header component. Similarly, I can create a footer. So here you can see the footer component also got created with 4 files and ng. I'm going to create main component. Instead of generate component, I can use generate component, short form GC main. So now we have created 3 component, main component. The name of the selector is app main. That is a default Angular provide this app hyphen name of the component we have provided. So if you want to change the selector name, we can change it. And here also we can change the name of the HTML file if you want, or we can manually create these things, but Angular provides a easy mechanism. Angular provides a command line tool using which we can create these particular files. So the one of the important thing is that the selector tag name. Okay, app main. Here in the header, if you look at the component, app header is the selector, and here in the footer, open the TS file. Here we can see app footer, right? Now I want to wire this component. Where I can wire this component? What is the main component we have seen? Here we have seen there is an index HTML. From the index HTML we call app root, right? So app root is the starting component. Okay, if you want we can change it by default. This is the component. So I am going to use app root has this component HTML, right? Here now we are getting this particular content. Now instead of this particular thing, I'm deleting this. I'm providing app hyphen header app hyphen footer app hyphen main. These are the selected tag name which we have mentioned in the TypeScript decorator. Now file, save all. Now serve the application ng serve. Application is up and running. Now if you refresh, see we got header works, main works, and footer works. So here if you look at this particular HTML, the app component has three components. This header component has header works, and main component has content main works, and here in this footer component dot html, here we have this particular html. This html content is rendered in the web page. We can change this particular content as per the look and feel we like to have. I hope you got some idea about how to create components in Angular. Thanks for watching this.